Welcome to DWBIADDA channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
In this video, I'm going to tell you how to apply union or merge in Tableau. So first, let's open the Tableau software. So my dataset is in the form of Excel. So I'll choose the Microsoft Excel from here and I'll press it. And after that, I have these three demo datasets which I have. I'll choose any one out of these three. Let's take the first one and press open. So my demo dataset 1 has been loaded. So first I'll take the order sheets and I'll drag it down to here. And you can see this order quantity column has appeared, which has some values. Now I'll drag it back to the sheets area. Now I'll take the status sheet and I'll drag it here, and you can see that the status of the order column has appeared. I will take it back to the sheets. Now to apply union, what I want is that we should have a minimum of 2 sheets. So let's take the first sheet, which is the order one, and I'll drag it here. Now I'll take the status sheet and I'll drag it just below the orders sheet, and you can see this union tab is being highlighted, and I'll drop it down here, and you can see a union has been created and we have the columns order quantity and the status of the order. You can see like this. Now just to be sure, we'll check it in the worksheet also. So I'll go to the sheet 1 and you can see I have both the status of the order and the order quantity. So this is a very simple way of using union in Tableau. Thank you.